Imagine earning passive income every single day just by holding a token, no trading needed. Today, I'm going to show you how that's possible with Blockchainfx. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm now logged into Blockchainfx. This is one of the demo accounts, and just look at how well it's been put together. So as you can see right here on the left, you've got your total portfolio, trading history, chat and support, market analysis, and even video tutorials. And as I mentioned, you can do loads on this platform. So if I click on this, you can trade Forex, stocks, cryptos, commodities, and ETFs. Just look at all of that. The charts are really nice. As you can see, they're nice and clean. You've got your open positions, your pending positions, buy, sell, take profit, stop loss, and pip value. So everything you need is all in one place. The BFX Presale has already raised over $8.6 million and is showing strong confidence among early investors. Early buyers benefit from lower prices before the next stage begins. So make sure you don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Alright guys, so this is the website of Blockchainfx, and they're the first crypto trading super app where you can trade crypto, stocks, Forex, bonds, all in one place, even ETFs. So if you're a trader, this is your one-stop shop. You can literally do everything here. It's so convenient. So I don't know why more traders aren't using Blockchainfx. Alright, let me walk you through their website for a bit. Alright guys, as I mentioned earlier in the video, the BFX Presale has already raised over $11 million and things are looking very promising for early investors. Early buyers will get the lowest prices during this presale, so this is your sign to jump in and take advantage of it. Alright guys, as I said before, you can earn daily staking rewards. So if you own BFX, you can receive daily rewards in USDT just for holding BFX, and these rewards will come from trading fees. And if you hold a larger amount, you could earn up to $25,000 in payouts, which is absolutely incredible just for owning BFX. With major CEX listings confirmed, a growing user base, and millions in daily trading volume, BFX offers significant potential for early pre-sale participants. So don't miss out on this exclusive opportunity during the pre-sale window. Secure your BFX tokens now and use code YT30 to get 30 extra coins. This offer is only available during the pre-sale window, so hurry up and get your tokens and coins now. That's a wrap for today's video, folks. If you enjoyed it, give it a like and hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell so you don't miss a single video we upload. Until next time, cheers!